We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP M452 and we're going to show you how to print a status supply page. So on your ready screen, it's going to show you kind of a visual representation of all your toners inside the machine. But if you'd like to have a little bit more information, a little bit more detail as far as all the toner inside your machine and where they are, so especially if you got like a big print job coming up, just to give you a better idea so you don't run out at the last second. So in order to get to it, you're going to use your arrow keys on the main menu and you're going to scroll over until you find the Reports tab and you're going to click OK. And then you're going to scroll over until you find Supply Status. Once you find Supply Status, go ahead and OK again. Like I said, this page is going to give you a lot more information about the toner inside your machine, so that way it takes all the guesswork out of it and just makes your life a whole lot easier. So on this page you'll find a lot of useful information. For each one of your toners you actually have a status bar showing you approximately how much toner is left inside each cartridge. And besides that, it also tells you approximately how many pages have been printed using that cartridge and approximately how many pages are left remaining on that cartridge. That's really useful information. However, you have to remember those are all approximate numbers. There's nothing concrete. The printer is doing its best job to kind of give you a calculated guess. But they are not exact numbers. But yeah, there's a lot of useful information on here. If you find yourself getting low on toner and you got a big job coming up, please feel free to give Onyx a call so we can supply your backup toner for you. Other than that, you should be good to go back in printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.